Are you a freelancer looking to diversify your income and find clients beyond Upwork? Maybe you hit a plateau on freelancing platforms, or you just want to build more direct relationships with clients. Well, today I'm going to discuss with you through actionable ways to find clients outside of Upwork. In the end, we will have a strong grip on the relevant knowledge that help us implement these strategies and start landing clients ASAP. Let's get started. First things first, your brand. Outside of freelancing platforms like Upwork, you are your brand. Whether you are on LinkedIn, Instagram, or your own website, it's essential that people know what you do and why they should hire you. But here's the key. Your brand needs to be consistent across all channels. Start by defining your niche. Are you a social media manager for small businesses? A graphic designer for startups? Get specific, because the clearer you are with your brand, the more likely you are going to attract the right clients. On platforms like LinkedIn, make sure your profile highlights what you bring to the table. Don't just list your experience, show how you solve problems. Post regular content that showcases your expertise and engage with others in your industry. This positions you as an authority and attracts potential clients. Social media isn't just for sharing memes. It's a powerful tool for generating leads. If you are not leveraging platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn to attract clients, you are leaving money on the table. Instagram and Twitter. These platforms are fantastic for creatives like designers, writers, and marketers. Use them to post your work, share testimonials, and offer insights into your process. Follow potential clients, engage with their content, and show up in their feeds regularly. LinkedIn. For more professional services, LinkedIn is your go-to platform. Join industry-specific groups where potential clients hang out, whether it's a group with tech startup or marketing executives. These spaces are gold mine for networking and finding clients. Don't be afraid to connect with people and send a friendly message introducing yourself and your services. Pro tip: consistency is key. Post at least 3 to 5 times a week for valuable content, whether that's tips, case studies, or updates on your project. The more you engage, the more likely potential clients are going to see and remember you when they need your services. Now, let's talk about cold outreach. Before you get nervous, hear me out. When done right, reaching out directly to potential clients can be one of the most effective ways to land a job. But here's the catch. Don't just send a boring email saying, "Hey, I'm a freelancer, need help?" That's not going to cut it. Start by researching potential clients. Who are they? What problems are they trying to solve? And when you have that information, personalize your pitch. For example, let's say you're a web designer. Instead of saying, "I'm a web designer and do you need help?" try something like, "I noticed your website could benefit a faster loading time, which would improve your SEO ranking. I'd love to offer some suggestions on how I can help." By showing the client you've done your homework and can solve a specific issue for them, you're much more likely to get a response. While online platforms are great, don't underestimate the power of in-person networking. Local industry events, workshops, and meetups can be an untapped source of clients. These events are full of people who either need your services or know someone who does. When you attend these events, don't go with the intention to sell right away. Instead, build relationships. Ask people about their businesses and what challenges they're facing, and listen carefully. Once you've established rapport, then you can mention how your services might help them. If there are not any local events, Check out online networking events. Many industries have regular virtual meetups or webinars where you can connect with potential clients. Pro tip, always follow up. After the event, send a friendly message or email to the people you meet. Keep the conversation going and gently remind them of how you can assist if they need your services. One of the best ways to attract clients outside of freelancing platform is through your own website. Your website acts as your own online portfolio, showing off your skills and experiences and previous work. But don't just create any website, make it client-focused. Here's what I mean. Don't make your website all about you. Instead, focus on how you can help clients solve their problems. Have clear call to action, whether it's contact me for a free consultation or see how I've helped other businesses succeed. SEO also plays a big role here. Optimize your website for search engine so potential clients can find you when searching for services like yours. Use relevant keywords in your blog post, services page, and even testimonials. The more you optimize your website, the better chance you have of attracting organic traffic that turns into clients. Content marketing is a fantastic way to showcase your expertise and attract clients without coming off too salesy. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast where you share tips, tricks, and valuable information in your industry. The goal here is to build trust and position yourself as an authority. For example, if you're a freelance writer, start a blog where you offer tips on engaging clients. If you're a developer, create YouTube tutorials on common coding problems. When potential clients see your content, they're more likely to trust you and eventually hire you. Closing call to action. Finding clients outside of Upwork doesn't have to be difficult. By building your personal brand, leveraging social media, doing smart cold outreach, networking, and creating content that offers value, you will start attracting clients organically. Remember, freelancing is about more than just waiting for clients to come to you. You need to go out there and create opportunities. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel and drop a comment on which strategy you'd like to try first. Look forward to seeing you at the next video. Until then, be freelantastic.